Okay. Your souvenir is Bangladesh.
Now the last day at Manila. At first I'm going to the El Nido, Palawan.
Palawan.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice in Palawan.
Yeah, Palawan.
Boracay, Baguio. Yeah.
Oh no, I'm going to the Palawan. And then coming in Manila, now going to the Bangladesh. Finish my tour. Palawan beaches are very good. The islands was too good.
Yes.
But here one problem in Palawan, the food problem.
Yes.
Food is not good. And the Manila is very busy city. Always busy. Palawan is not busy. It's a clean, simple city.
So winner, gawin nating panalo at swerte ang inyong Chinese New Year ngayong 2026.
And yeah, here in Manila,
21.5 win
Mall of Asia. Yeah, I'm very good. Very good. Then I'm going to the Venice Mall.
Taguig.
Venice Canal Mall.
Venice Canal.
Venice Canal.
Market.
Going to market. Very good. Very good. Today is the last day.
So now you go to Palawan.
No, Palawan. At first go to Palawan and then come here.
Oh.
Bangladesh to direct Palawan. After finish the Palawan, then coming Manila.